Do you want to upgrade your mute button from this to this? Let me show you how. Okay, so if you want to set up your keyboard as a big mute button with the Stream Deck, I'll show you how that works. So I've got a Corsair keyboard, so I'll show you how to do that. So all you need to do is you need to set up a second profile in the IQ software. So what I've got over here, I've got my default profile here, and then I've got a muted profile here. So what happens is every time it switches profiles, it'll change all my lights to red. So you can pick whatever color you like, a different combination, whatever you want to have. So you have your default one, what it's always on, and then the muted one, what you want to change to. So once you've set up two profiles in there, over in your Stream Deck software, I've got my mute button here. So you can set up a multi-action switch. So what we can do is we can go into the actions here. And then what we'll do is we can set up a Discord button here to mute. So when you push the mute button, it'll mute in Discord, and then it will also change your IQ profile to the muted profile here. And then because it's multi-action, you can push the button once, it'll mute, and then the keyboard will go red in this example. So then when you push it again, in our second part, when we unmute it, it will unmute the microphone, and then it will change the profile back to the default one. So that way, when we push the button, it goes red, so you know it's muted. Push it again, it unmutes. Nice and simple. What you can also do is, I know people use pedals as well, is in here, you can go to your pedal if you've got a pedal as well. Set the same thing, same multi-action switch. That way you push the button, same thing, it's the same profile. It'll mute Discord, change the keyboard to red, unmute it, goes off, and then goes back to the normal coloring. So nice and simple. If you want to do that, makes it much easier to see when Discord's muted. If you want any other helpful tips, let me know. I'll help you out. Thanks, guys.